Hi, my name is Robert Steltman, and today I'm going to show you some of the road tools, specifically the cross-section tools and how they can help you label your cross-sections and create cross-sections. For creating cross-sections, there's a number of tools, including create cross-sections from 3D polylines in a cross-section, from contours, or from points. Once the cross-sections have been created, we've plotted them, and now we can label our OG sections. And we can have it labeled in any location, any rotation, and also what we want to have labeled. What it's going to do is for each offset in the cross-section, it's going to go to plan looking for a polyline. If it finds a polyline, it's going to grab the polyline layer name and label that with a descriptor. And here you can see on one of the cross-sections where there were no polylines, we've got the offset and elevation, but where there were polylines, we've got the offset, the elevation, and then the layer name of the polyline. Once all of the design control has been completed, we'll replot the cross-sections and then start labeling them. Using the View Edit command in LDD, we can see our different what our cross-section will look like, including the P code 33 for the left gutter and P code 34 for the right gutter. When we want to label these P codes on our cross-section, we'll tell it to use the P code minus 33, which is 33 on the left, plus 34, which will be on the right. $16 will label both P codes on both sides. And again, we have our options of descriptor, offset, and elevation, and the location and the text height. We select the P code table, and in one pick of the button, all of the cross sections get labeled with the P codes that we've selected. We can also label grades on cross sections. On this one, we're going to take it from the left gutter to the center, and then from the center to the right gutter. And you can see the cross sections have been labeled at our 2% crossfall. And now we want to label the slope to the slope stake. And there's our different slopes, 2 to 1 on the left and 4 to 1 on the right. We can also select lines that we want to take from the plan and put them on our cross sections. I'll select the 2 green right-of-way lines and maybe this red line. And you can see how we've added this right-of-way on the right side, the left side, the right-of-way on the right side, and also the NEOP line on our right side. Now we're going to export the P code information to our a grading report for the contractors. We've selected again the left gutter, the right gutter, both slope stakes, the center line, and both hinge points. And here's a sample of the grading report showing the elevation, the offset, and the descriptor from our P code table. This is just another example of how Steltman tools can help you be more productive using Land Desktop, creating finished drawings, doing things in a quarter of the time, fewer errors, and freeing up more time. And if you have any questions, give me a call at 866-260-2514 or go to my website at www.rsteltman.com.